समस्त को नमस्कार। प्रथमे मो चैनल को समस्त को स्वागत। आमे आसंतु आमे जानी नेबा जहाँकि छोट पिला मानंको पई थिबा अनयूजुअल एनिमल रिगार्डिंग बा नो अबाउट अनयूजुअल एनिमल्स व्हिच इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द जनरल नॉलेज फॉर चिल्ड्रेन। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। प्रथमे एन एनिमल कवर्ड विथ लॉन्ग शार्प क्विल। मन रखिथिबे लॉन्ग शार्प क्विल्स कहार ना पर्कुपाइन। ओके, नेक्स्ट देखंतु एथिरे मु क्वेश्चन सहित माने फिगर भी देइची ना कौन पाई ना फिगर देखिकी क्वेश्चन पढ़िले बा मन माने जोटा कि पिला मानन को अट्रैक्ट हेबो एलोंग विथ मन रखिया भी इजी भी हेबो। सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम कीपिंग द क्वेश्चन एलोंग विथ द इमेजेस। So first question, an animal covered with long sharp quills, that is porcupine. Okay, next question, a large animal that lives in the sea in Arctic regions and also has two long tusks. Okay, answer is walrus. Okay, next, an African animal with a very long neck, long legs and dark patches on its body is known as giraffe. Okay, African animal, clear na? An African animal with a very long neck, legs and dark patches on its body, that is giraffe. Next, a lizard that can change its color accordingly, that is chameleon. This is very easy one. Okay, next, a very large African bird having a long neck and long legs but unable to fly but run. Okay, it is known as ostrich. The egg of an ostrich is the world's largest egg. Clear? So again, a very large African bird having a long neck and long legs but unable to fly but run very rapidly, which is known as ostrich. The egg of an ostrich is the world's largest egg. Clear? Next, a large animal with yellowish coat and dark spots in the body is known as leopard. Clear? Very easy question. A small animal that digs tunnels underground to live in, it is known as mole. Clear? The biggest water animal, very easy one, that is whale और ताकू ब्लू whale बोली भी कहा जाए. Biggest water animal. Clear ना? Next, the smallest bird's egg in the world, that is hummingbird. Smallest bird's egg in the world, that is hummingbird. Largest ostrich, smallest hummingbird. Next, the upside down animal is sloth. Upside down animal. Okay, please look the pictures. The animal that first went into the space in a spacecraft, that is dog. Very easy one. The animal that first went into space in a spacecraft is known as dog. The fastest animal, the fastest land animal is cheetah. Okay, the biggest mammal in the world, the biggest mammal in the world is blue whale. Clear? A flightless bird with hair like feathers is known as kiwi. Okay, a flightless bird with hair like feathers is known as kiwi. The insect from which we get silk is known as silkworm or moth. Please mark the difference of the moth. Moth is a kind, just looking as a butterfly but different in images. Okay, it is moth, it is known as silkworm. Clear? Next, a reptile which changes color to protect itself is known as chameleon. Okay, next, the animal which is not a bird but can fly in the air is known as bat. The animal which is not a bird, bird nuhe but can fly in the air, is known as bat. The animal which has white and black strips all over its body is known as zebra. Clear? Next, the bird which lays its eggs in another bird's nest. That bird which lays its eggs in another bird's nest is known as cuckoo. Clear? Next, the bird which can fly backward is known as hummingbird. The bird which can fly backward, whose eggs is very small, is known as hummingbird. The bird with more or less no feather on its head and neck but lives on the flesh of dead animal is known as vulture. Clear? Next, the insect that gives out light is known as firefly. The insect that gives out light is known as firefly. Okay, thank you.